Hello and welcome to a look at our up-close flower farming experience. This is a 360 experience where kids of any age who are comfortable using the computer can come on and take a deeper dive into looking at flower farming. So just to give you a little exploration of it, what it does is it takes you to a flower farm where you can use your cursor and get a 360-degree look at what the flower farm looks like. Kids are encouraged to explore on their own, to click these icons, and learn more about each part of flower farming. This is the field where everything starts. There are more icons included on the screen for them to explore and learn more. It is great for those times in your classroom when kids are finished with their regular assignment, or it's a great way to introduce a new unit, perhaps on life cycle or farming or flowers. Be sure to explore all of the pieces which are explored here on the side. It also comes with a conclusion to make sure that you got everything out of the experience. And yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it.